Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here a new topic, matrix. This is the important topics and different types of the topics of this. So first we'll discuss here what is the matrix. The matrix is an ordered and rectangular array, means matrix is the arrangement of the numbers, otherwise complex numbers, real numbers or functions, any types of numbers. This is the arrangement of the numbers inside of the rectangular array. So what is the rectangular array here? Now discuss here one by one. This is the name of this symbol is called the matrix. Name of this symbol is the matrix. A matrix always denoted by the capital letter A, B, C. This is not matter. What is the letter here? A, B, C, D. You will denote it always in the capital letter. And this is the symbol of the matrix, to which data you are arranging inside of this row and column. Means we will write the particular row, how many row, this is not matter. This is a rectangular shape. Sometimes suppose one row, you have two rows. This will discuss with the types of the matrix. Means this will write the how many row here, how many numbers here. This is symbol of the matrix. You can write any data here. Means function, numbers, real numbers, complex numbers, any types. The matrix is denoted by the rectangular symbol. And simple form of the short form of the matrix. How to represent the short form of the matrix? This is the short form of the matrix. This one is the short form of the matrix. A equal to AIZ. What is here I? What is here J? I is represent here rows, and J here represent columns. J here represent the column. But then it will represent the row. I represent the rows. This one represents the rows. Suppose example here कि A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. So this is the matrix. This is the particular address of this. 1 means first row, first column. First row. This is in this shape is called the row. Row. These are called the row. And this is called the columns. So then 1 means first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. And third row, first column. And third row and second column. And third row and third column. This is the address of the element of the matrix. What elements you write here? This is not matter here. You write here function form, you write a real number form, you write any number here. But this is a particular address of the any elements or any functions here. So then this is the short form of the matrix. This is the large form of the matrix. So first we note down it, then discuss ahead it. Yes, class. This is noted. This is the short form of. This is the large form. But what is the particular? How many large of the numbers? What is the? This is the row and this is the column. What is the large form of this matrix? Then we will write here first. How to write from here? Large form of the matrix of here. Then we will write here first. Suppose here you write here large form A1. First row, first column. Second row, first row, second column, first row, third column, dash, 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 first row, nth column. Suppose how many elements and this is not, dash, dash means number of the nth column here. This is first row, first column, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, dash, 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 first row, nth column. After that you will write here second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, dash, 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 second row, nth column. This is the last second row. Suppose you write first, second, third. How many elements are this? Is you are at the nth terms, nth row, nth columns here. But similarly here, you can write here, this is the first, suppose this is the first row, second row, but this is the, we are putting here the dash dash dash. It means this is mth row. Mth row, first column, mth row, second column, mth row, third column, dash dash dash, and nth row, nth column, and then you will close it and you will write here n into n order. The name of this symbol is order. What is the name of this? This name of this order of the matrix. So this is called the order. Name of this is order. Order of the matrix. And what is the m here? M is represent your rows and n here represent your columns. N here represent the columns. So means what is the order of the matrix? This is dependent m into n. The last element, last m into n. Means nth row, nth column. So how many elements of this matrix? How many elements of this matrix? So this you will multiply here. So then you can write a number of the elements. Number of the elements of the matrix is m into n. You will multiply how many row here or how many columns here. You will multiply here, then you get the number of the elements of the matrix. Or this is called the order of the matrix. This is represent the order of the matrix. Or what is the m order of the matrix? Two numbers here, m and n. So this is called m is represent the row and n is represent the column. So then the short form of the matrix. Then we are writing a short form of the matrix. We write here a, ith and jth. Means, or what you write here? Suppose you are writing m into n order. This will represent the m into n order here. I represent your row and j represent your column. Then this is the short form of the matrix. This is the large form of the matrix. Or this is the same. Both things are same. But this is the short form. This one is the large form. Both things are same. Yes, note down it. Then we will discuss next point. Yes, student. Next point. Next topic I am taking here types of the matrices. How many types of the matrices? The first we'll discuss here column matrix, second row matrix, square matrix, and then we will square matrix. The many types of the square matrix, diagonal matrix, and scalar matrix, and identity matrix, and zero matrix. Then we'll discuss one by one and identity matrix here. Here we will write next point here types of the matrix. Types of the matrices. Types of the matrices. First type matrix are column matrix. Column matrix. What is the column matrix? Means those matrix having only one column is called the column matrix. This is not represent the how many row here, but this is the 1, 2, 3. In this type matrix is called the. In this matrix, how many row here? First, second, third. Means 3 row and only one column. In this type matrix is called the. Suppose you write any element here. This is not my write here 1, 2, 3. Suppose you write here A, B, C. How many elements here? 3 elements. Row, first row, second row, third row, or column only one. Those matrix having only one columns is called the column matrix. It is clear? Those matrix having the only one column is called the column matrix. Second point here, row matrix. This one is the X. The row matrix means those matrix having only, suppose you write A, don't put here the comma, A, B, C, means those matrix having only one row is called the row matrix. But in this matrix having the first column, second column, third column, yeah, suppose you have required here D also, then you write D, means first column, second column, third column, fourth column. For row only one here, that means 1 into 4. So those matrix having only one row is called the row matrix, and those matrix having only one column is called the column matrix. One column, then you write their column matrix. Only one row, then you will say here okay, this is the row matrix. Next thing here, square matrix. Third point here, what is the square matrix? What is the square matrix? Means those matrix having here, suppose you write here in this way, means A, B, C and D, means number of row or number of column is the same, this is called the square matrix. The next example means 2 into 2, this is the 2 into 2 order. Suppose you write here A, B, yeah, you can write a number also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 3 into 3 order matrix. Means those matrix having the number of row or number of column is equal, means 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. In this type matrix is called the square matrix. Means those matrix having here the number of row or number of column. This is not matter here ki how many row, how many column. Suppose in this matrix having 2 into 2, means number of row, number of column is same, square matrix. Number of column, number of row, number of column is same. This means this one is the square matrix. Suppose your matrix you make here 4 into 4, then this is the 4 into 4 also is square matrix. 5 into 5 is also is square matrix. But suppose you write here to 1 into 2 matrix, this is not square matrix. This one is not square matrix. Here 2 into 1 not square matrix. 3 into 4 is not square matrix. So in this type, here 4 into 5, this one is not square matrix. Means number of row or column is different, then we can say in this type matrix are not square matrix. Those number of column, number of row and column are the same, then you can say that both matrix are square matrix. It is clear? So first note down it, then we will discuss here next point. First note down it. Yes class, next point here, next point diagonal matrix. Then the diagonal matrix also is a square matrix. All square matrix, all diagonal matrix are the square matrix. The types of the square matrix here means number of row and number of column are the same. This is called the square matrix. But then types of the square matrix are first diagonal matrix, second scalar matrix, and third are identity matrix. So what is the diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix in this type matrix, this is the square matrix, but all non-diagonal elements are 0. If any square matrix, all 9 non-diagonal elements are 0, in this type matrix is called the diagonal matrix. So now what is the diagonal matrix here? Discuss here the fourth point here, diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix here? The simple example, suppose you write a matrix, suppose in this way, non-diagonal element, suppose here 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, suppose you write here 2, and 0, 0, 7. In this type matrix is called the diagonal matrix. Means what is the definition of the diagonal matrix? all non-diagonal matrix, all non-diagonal means not diagonal, all non-diagonal matrix are 0 is called the diagonal matrix. Means listen again, all non-diagonal elements are 0 means upper case, upper diagonal, upper side of the diagonals or lower side of diagonals will be 0. And in these elements is called the principal diagonal elements. These are called the principal diagonals. So means above of the diagonal, below of the diagonals, elements are 0. Then you can say in this type matrix is called the diagonal matrix. What is the symbol of the diagonal elements here? Suppose here Aij. You can write here Aij equal to 0, where I does not equal to j. Means all elements of this matrix. This is a symbolic form of the diagonal matrix. A equal to Aij, value of this matrix is equal to 0, but which element equal to 0? Where I does not equal to j. For you look this element I equal to j, this element I equal to j, or this element I equal to j. Why? 1 1, 2 2, or 3 3. So these elements I equal to j. But suppose this element 2 1 not equal, 1 2 not equal, 1 3 is not equal. This is a 2 3, 2 3 is not equal. This is a 2 1 is not equal. 3 1 not equal. 3 2 is not equal. But these elements having the I equal to j. If these elements having the I equal to j, but in these elements are not having the I does not equal to j. Means suppose what is the address of this? 1 1. I or j is equal. This is the 2. And then you can write here 2 2 element. This one is the 5. And suppose you write here 3 3 element. Then you can say the 7. According to the address of the matrix elements, so this means this is the 2 1 1, 2 2, and 3 3. So this one the equal, then will be not 0. Means in this condition is not 0. Other rest condition is 0. It is clear. Then we discuss the next matrix here. First note down it, then we discuss the scalar matrix. What is the scalar matrix here? Scalar matrix also is the square matrix. Diagonal matrix is square matrix. Diagonal matrix is square matrix. Second next matrix is the scalar matrix. Then scalar matrix also is the square matrix. This one is the fifth point, scalar matrix. What is the scalar matrix here? This one is also your square matrix in this time matrix. Suppose you write here 1, suppose you write here 3, 0 0, 0 3, 0 0 0, and 3. Means according to definition of the scalar matrix, means all diagonal elements are equal. All diagonal elements of the any square matrix are equal. This is called the scalar matrix. Suppose diagonal elements जब इसके equal हो जाएं, in this type matrix is called the scalar matrix. Or this is the compulsory of the square matrix. Means number of row or number of column is same. This one is a 3 3 order. Yeah, suppose you write here element. Suppose you write 5, 5, and 5. So in this means 3 into 3 order matrix. But these elements are equal. In this type matrix is called the scalar matrix. But suppose these elements is the 1 1 1. Then name of this matrix is identity matrix. What is the name of this matrix? Is identity matrix. Identity matrix. What is the identity matrix here? Same matrix, but if diagonal elements of any scalar matrix is one unit, then you can say in this type matrix is called the identity matrix. Now look here. Here suppose you write 4 4 4, then you can say scalar matrix. Suppose you write 5 5 6 6 7 7 except 1. Suppose you write here 1 1 1, then is called the identity matrix. So in this time matrix is called the, suppose you write here root 3 root 5 root 7, this is not matter. This is not matter here. You can write any element, but here not write the unit square root any other number. Suppose you any square matrix having the diagonal element is unique, means 1 1 1. In this time matrix is called the identity matrix. In this time matrix is called the scalar matrix. So all scalar matrices are square, all identity matrices are square, or all diagonal matrices are also is square. Yes class, next point of discuss here exercise 3.1 question number first. In this exercise question number first here, in the matrix A given in the book, matrix A 2 5 19 minus 7 35 minus 2 5 by 2 12 root 3 1 minus 5 17, then you will give the answer here three different parts. So first of all we will discuss here question number first. What is the matrix A here? Matrix A here 2 5 19 minus 7 35 minus 2 5 by 12 and 12. Next root 3 1 minus 5 and 17. This one is the matrix of first row, second row and third row. So 3 into 4 column here, first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Then you write here the order of the matrix. What is the first part of this question here? This matrix already given in the book. So what is the first part here? They write the order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? I am already writing here the order of the matrix here 3 into 4. Order here matrix of the 3 into 4. So you can write here order of the matrix. Order of the matrix A is 3 into 4 because 3 rows and 4th column. Second part here, very simple. Simple here. You will count number of row and number of column, then you give the answer of the order of the matrix. Second part here, the number of the elements. How to suppose you can count? Suppose you are count the elements here. First method. Second method, you directly multiply of the order here. Then you can give the answer number of the elements. The second answer, how many elements of the matrix? Then you will write answer number of the elements of matrix A is 12. 3 into 4, 12. First technique, you directly multiply here 3 into 4, you get the how many elements are in this matrix. And third part here given question here given, okay, write the elements. Which elements you will write here? Those given instruction in the books here. First here write elements 1 3. Second element you write 2 1. Third element you write here 1 3 3. Next you will write the elements here 2 4, and next you will write here 2 3. According to this given matrix. So what is the element? First row and third column. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So this is the answer here 19. Second row, first column. This is the second row and first column is 35. You check this. The second row, this one is the second row, or this one is the first column. Second row, first column is 35 answer. Third row, third column. This one is the third row and third column. First, second, third. Answer your -5. Next, second row, fourth column. This one is the second row, first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. The second row, fourth column answer your 12. Next, second row, third column. The second row, third column, 5/2. According this way, you will be to give answer any question. Suppose come in this form, कि matrix is given, or suppose some questions are given here. कि write the how many elements here, write the particular elements here, what is the order of the given matrix, what is the possible order of this matrix. In this type questions suppose come in the exam, you will give the answer to given matrix. First of all, you will study the matrix here, what is the order, in which types of the elements you will give of the answer. Yes, you note down and discuss next point.